In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post journals or make adjustments in Zoho Books. We'll start by getting to the right place within the application, guide you through the creation of a new journal, and show you how to save and publish it. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to log into your Zoho Books account and navigate to the dashboard. This is your main hub where you can access various features and functionalities. Once you're there, take a look at the sidebar where you'll see an option for Manual Journals. Go ahead and click on that. This section is where you can manage and create journal entries, allowing you to keep your financial records accurate and up to date. Next, you'll see a button labeled New. Clicking this will allow you to start creating a new journal entry. Now, it's important to set the date for your journal entry early on. It indicates when the transaction or adjustment is recorded in the books. Simply select the appropriate date from the calendar interface. After setting the date, you'll want to jot down any notes related to this journal. This note section is vital for clarifying why the journal entry is being made, providing context for yourself and others who may review it in the future. Your notes could include details like reference numbers, related transactions, or reasons for adjustments. Following your notes, you need to select a reporting method. This reflects how the entry will be reported in financial statements, so choose the option that aligns with your organization's reporting requirements. Moving on to currency selection, it's essential to ensure that the correct currency is applied to your journal entry. This is particularly crucial if you deal with multiple currencies, as it will affect the financial reports and exchange rate calculations. Now let's fill out the account table. This is where the nuts and bolts of your journal entry are crafted. You'll assign the appropriate accounts that are debited and credited, ensuring that the total debits equal total credits to maintain balanced books. Carefully input the amounts and double-check for any potential errors. Once your account table is complete and you've double-checked everything for accuracy, it's time to finalize the process. Locate the Save and Publish button and give it a click. This action records your journal entry and ensures that your books are up to date with the latest adjustments. Congratulations on successfully navigating through the posting of a journal entry in Zoho Books. Each entry you make helps ensure that your financial statements remain precise and reliable. Remember, accurate record keeping is fundamental to sound financial management. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out. Happy bookkeeping!